me show you how to create amazing movies using AI. We will take still images and transform them into stunning storytelling scenes. I will show you how to do it step by step. I will also show you how to make your characters move their lips
My compass isn't working.
according to your script. With this tutorial, you will be able to create anything you can imagine and earn money from YouTube. If you are enjoying this video and want to see more videos like this, hit the like button to show your support. Now let's jump right in. Step 1. A great movie always begins with a great story. So, open ChatGPT and type in your film idea. I will type, write a short sci-fi film script of, followed by your film idea. You may input any idea you have. Then hit send, and your script will be generated in seconds. Once it's ready, you will see it is neatly divided into scenes, complete with characters and dialogues. Now it's time to start creating your video with AI. Unfortunately, creating text-to-video directly produces unpredictable and inconsistent results. So instead, in step 2, we will generate images first and then convert them into a video. For this, I will use a very popular tool called Leonardo AI, which can turn text into images in seconds. You may also use tools like Flux or Piclumen, which will do the same thing. To generate high-quality images, we need high-quality prompts, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. Simply go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me the image prompts for each scene," and hit send. You can now close this canvas interface. And that's it. We have created the image prompts for each shot of our short film. As the prompts are being generated, let's scroll up and start generating images from these prompts. If you see the first prompt, it describes a helicopter hovering above a dense jungle, and the last line shows 5 explorers descending from the helicopter. These two scenes cannot be captured in a single image. So, we will divide them into 2 separate prompts. Copy the first part as your initial image prompt and open Leonardo AI using the link in the description. Head to the image creation section from here or the left panel and paste the prompt into this prompt box. On the top left, click Model Preset and choose the Flux model. Then set the image dimension to 16 by 9 and make 4 as the number of images to generate at once. Click the Generate button and your images will be ready. You will get 4 options. Choose the one you like, upscale it, and then download it. Repeat the above steps for all your image prompts. You may also download the 2 best images from each prompt to have more options when creating the video. Now we have all the images needed for the short film. We have gone from a simple idea to a complete movie script and even created amazing pictures and upscaled them. So next, let's see how to convert the images into videos. To do this, I will be using a tool called Halo AI, also known as Minimax. Open haloai.video and go to the Create section. Select the Image to Video tab and click here to upload one of the images you downloaded from Leonardo AI. In the prompt box, enter a basic motion you want to see in the video.
تعرف انك ممكن تدفع اعلانات فيسبوك بتاعتك عن طريق فودافون كاش او اي فيزا محليه لحد 50,000 جنيه وبدون عموله. دلوقتي منصه كونفرتد باي وفرت لك كل طرق الدفع.
Make sure to enable this button as it enhances your prompt. This is very important if you want to avoid writing detailed motion prompts. Next, choose the base image to video model and click Generate. As we had downloaded 2 images from each prompt, let's upload the second image and generate the video. Once both videos are ready, compare them and choose the one you prefer for your film. Repeat this process for all your images to convert them into videos. This is how you can transform images into videos in just a few minutes. Now it's time to add dialogues to bring our videos to life. For this, we will use a tool called 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs website and click Try for free to sign up. Once you are logged in, make sure this text-to-speech tab is selected. Then on the right panel, open the Voice drop-down menu and click on a voice to hear how it sounds.
There is no greater harm than...
Browse through the voices and pick the voice that best fits your scene.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
Now enter your dialogue or script in the text box and click the Generate Speech button. And our dialogue will be ready.
Guys, my compass isn't working. This place, it's like it has no magnetic field at all.
Download it by clicking this button. In the same way, we can create the dialogues for all the other scenes of our movie. For the narration, let's use the text-to-speech feature of Halo AI. To access it, go to the Audio tab. On the right panel, click on Switch Voice, and you can click on a voice to hear it.
Let me share with you what I've learned over the years. My experience has taught me that patience is truly a virtue.
Or click on Use to select a voice. Now click on the Emotion drop-down to choose an emotion you want in your narration. You can then adjust the speed, pitch, and volume to match your preference. Then enter your text for the narration and click the Generate Speech button. Once the audio is ready,
In a remote corner of the world,
click the download icon to save it to your computer. You can also go in the Voices tab to clone your own voice, or pick one from the voice library. It's very easy to use and delivers incredible results. Now that our videos and dialogues are ready, the next step is to lip sync the video with the dialogue to make everything feel natural and realistic. This is the clip where we will merge the dialogue with the... As you can see, the lips are not moving at all, which will make it look unnatural when we add the dialogue. To fix this, you can use a popular app called Lalamu Studio, but while recording this video, the app was temporarily unavailable. So I will use a website called Magic Hour, which makes lip syncing quick and easy. Go to Products and select Lip Sync from the drop-down menu. You can create a lip sync by uploading your video and audio files. However, processing will be much slower if you don't sign up. To speed up the process, click the Sign Up button and register with your email. After logging in, you will be taken to this dashboard. Select this lip sync box to enter the video upload section. Click the Upload box to add your video file. Once the upload is complete, click the Advanced Settings tab to adjust the start and end points for the lip sync. This setting comes handy if the video is longer than the audio file. Then, click Next Step. Upload your audio file and click Render Video to begin the lip sync process. The tool will process the video and align the lips perfectly with the dialogue. Here's the result.
Guys, my compass isn't working. This place, it's like it has no magnetic field at all.
Download the synced video to your computer. Alternatively, you can use an open source tool called Wave to Lip on Google Colab. I will leave the links in the description to all the tools I talked about in this video. The final step is to bring everything together. For this, I will use a free online video editor called Clipchamp, but you can use any editing software you are comfortable with. Go to clipchamp.com and click on Try for free. Now click on Create a new video, and you will land in this video editor page. Import all the video clips we created by dragging and dropping them into the left panel. Once done, drag the videos one by one into the timeline and arrange them in the right order. You can also trim out unnecessary parts of the clips if needed. Next, I will import the voiceovers and the narration we created using 11 Labs and Halo AI. Then drag them to the timeline. To download your movie, click the Export button on the top right.